Guys, nandito tayo ngayon para sa dance instructions ni Utoy. Una sa lahat. Pwesto. Step 1, yung favorite ko. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Then you spin your body around like this. Step sideways. Then turn around. Turn around again. Turn around again. Todo pa again. Turn around again. Yeah. And that's the end. That's my turn.
Another one.
So, you want more?
Yes.
You want more? More. First, you do this. Then this. Then you lower your feet like that. Then you bounce up and down. That's the end.
Yung last one mo.
More.
Yes,
You
last
want
one.
more?
Last one.
More.
The wave hands.
The wave hands.
Yes.
You open your mouth like this. Then you close it like that. Then you open, then you close. Then the hand moves. You do this. You do this. Kasabay nung ganun. Then you combine together. Then you follow.
Backward.
Okay. Sideward. Sideward. They are both sideward.
Okay, compilation.
Sama sa...
Compilation. Okay.